part 3 of building my gaming PC. Right now I'm just kind of unboxing everything, and I put in the cords for the power supply. Now I'm going to unbox these fans, put them on the radiator, and throw it in the case. This build's going to be sick. So we installed the radiator and the motherboard. Now we have to put in the cables and the power supply. Time to plug in my least favorite thing, front panel connectors. Plug those in. Now time for the power supply and cable extensions. Okay, so we just finished putting in all these cable extensions. Now we're going to throw in the rest of the fans right there and save cable for the hard drive. So we finished the PC after like 4 hours. This took so long because the case is tiny. Cable management was pretty hard. Let's do the peel. Ooh. Moment of truth. Okay, so the PC build is done and set up. There's obviously a few things wrong with it, like these white sleeves are not long enough. The cable grommet got pushed off, and the cable management isn't flawless, I would say. Like up there, you can see that. Cable cones aren't put in all the way perfectly and on top. But other than that, it looks beautiful. This is just a temporary GPU, I would say. It's my old 5600 XT. I might be keeping it, I might be not. I would get a 3070 white, but I'm not sure if I can find one. Also, I forgot to peel the motherboard. Either way, let me know what you guys think of it, and please tell me some setup suggestions, like some color schemes and whatnot. I really want to try out some new ones other than just full white.